Want to tag a WhatsApp group in your status update? Here's how to do it step by step. Open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once you're in, head to the Updates tab located at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap the camera icon or the Add Status option to begin creating your new status update. You'll now see your recent photos and videos. Select the image or video you want to share. This will take you to the status editing screen. At the bottom of this screen, tap the arm symbol. A list will appear showing your contacts and groups. Scroll through or use the search bar to find the group you want to mention in your status. Tap on the group to tag it, yes. You can tag more than one group if you'd like. Once you've selected the groups, tap the check mark to confirm. Now that your status is ready, tap the send icon in the bottom right corner to publish it. Depending on your status privacy settings, members of the tagged groups may get notified or see the tag when they view your status. Your group is now mentioned in your WhatsApp status update. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful WhatsApp tips.